Yeah, but we're so.
I have stills on this too.
Okay, we're moving on this one, right? We're supposed to be moving on this one. Hi there. Oops. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, now we're on the back of that.
Is my hair sticking up? If it is, I'm gonna kick you if you don't let me know.
Is my broccoli showing?
Is your broccoli?
I have broccoli.
Baby,
Yeah,
when'd you get enough?
Okay.
Standing
No,
up.
I'm actually taking stills too, right, Dodie?
Oh, yeah, that takes skills also.
Yeah, you're
She's having fun.
Look at that.
What are you playing with? What are you playing with?
She likes the rock.
You like the rocks? What's your name?
Isabella.
Oh, Isabella.
Oh, she was gonna tell me, Mama. Look. What is your name? What is your name? Are you gonna share? Are you gonna share? Oh, teaser. You little, can I share? Will you share? Oh, she's gorgeous.
Oh, thank
We
you.
became grandparents for the first time. We have a little baby grandson.
Oh, how
3
exciting.
weeks old.
Oh,
So
congratulations.
Great,
thank
congratulations.
you. So we're all excited. You know.
Oh, it's so exciting.
You gonna share now? You gonna
Share, Ethan?
Oh, you're a teaser. You're a tease. Oh, enjoy her. She's beautiful.
Thank
Thank you.
Guys,
Go. You take it at an angle, honey?
Well, I want to get it framed right here with this.
hold your hand up.